Hey there, it's Joanne Funch, and I wanted to give you a tip today about saving posts on LinkedIn and why it should matter to you to do that. So, oftentimes people don't even know that you can save a post and refer back to it later. It's one of the simplest but most, I think, underused features today. And I want to show you how it works and why it matters. Actually, quite simple. When you see a post that you might want to come back to later because you might want to refer to the information that someone posted. Perhaps you're following some type of a leader in your industry and they're writing good content that you'd want to refer back to. That would be a reason actually to go ahead and save a post. So you find the post, you come right up here to the three dots in the corner of the post, and you simply click those three dots and then you click save. And it is now saving your posts. Now, to find your saved post to come back to later, let me show you where you do that. You would scroll over and look. I want to show you the left sidebar from the home page. Now, you simply come over to My Saved Items. This is where you're going to find all of your saved posts. You click that open and you'll see them saved under Save Posts and Articles, and they'll be saved in the order in which you actually saved those posts, so you can refer back to them later. Again, they're in date order, which is beautiful because they'll be easy to find that way. That's the reason to do that. And you can just see how simple it actually is. Now, what I want to show you that is brand new is in terms of your analytics. Now, here's why this feature is worth paying attention to. Even if you're the one posting content, LinkedIn, as of this recording, is rolling out new analytics to show how many people are saving or sending other posts to other people. So, in addition to the typical likes, comments, and reposts, you'll now see saves and sends on any post. Now, what I'm showing you on the screen is brand new from LinkedIn. They're demonstrating that when you go to analytics under any of your posts, you'll be able to see the analytics of of those posts. So you'll see what I'm showing you on the screen. Now you'll see under engagements, now is included saves. Okay, I'm going to show it to you again. Saves and sends. Now, you might not have this yet, so click under the analytics of any of your posts and take a look at the engagements versus the impressions, and you'll see the results. So, what is this telling you? Well, if people are actually saving or sharing your posts, it's a good indication that they're liking what you're posting. So you might consider doing more of that, right? Creating that helpful content that people are actually saving. Again, that's really your cue to create more of what's working. So I encourage you to try saving a post today or start checking out the analytics and see if they have turned up yet on your in your own analytics for a post. So I hope you find that helpful. If you're saving posts or you find this interesting, leave me a comment below because I think it's fabulous. I've been saving posts for quite a while to use to refer back to when I need to. So let me know what you think of this.